Welcome to all. So here is the question is, which one will react faster in SN1 reaction? So here substrate 1, substrate 2. So at first, in case SN1 reaction, at first we draw the carbocation. So the SN1 reaction goes through carbocation intermediate. So at first we draw the carbocation in both case. So the when chlorine leave, then from this carbocation, and in that case O, CH3, CH2, CH2 plus. So after formation of this carbocation, here the lone pair is directly stabilize this carbocation. So the resonance structure is CH2 double bond O, CH2, CH3. But in that case the lone pair shifted here, but it can not stabilize the plus charge because it's far away. Here the distance is very large. So as a reason it cannot stabilize of this carbocation. So as a reason this one is react faster. Because why react faster? Because as a reason here the carbocation is more stable as compared to this one is more stable. So react faster in that reason. So this compound is react faster. The answer is ready, but we how to write of this answer in university question paper. So I also show here one question answer pattern. The everything is same, all answer pattern is same. So just follow the discussion. Now is the pattern is here, the writing pattern is here of university. So the here SN1 reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate. So greater the stability of the transition state, the faster the rate. This one is common for every question. This 3 lines is common for every question for this type of question. But then we also start our actual body. This one is body and this one is introduction part, and our last section is a conclusion part. So our last section is a conclusion part. So now we cannot here written conclusion, body, introduction. We just throughout write on this pattern. So here, so in case 1, here the carbocation, here is show here resonance form which is resonance stabilized. So the transition state is more stable. So here we show the, so del Ga is less than del Gb. So has here in case B here, so hence A will react faster. So in case this type of question, we also write down of this pattern. That is the pattern how to write in university level. Now our next problem is CH2, CH, CH2, Cl and this compound. So which one is react faster is the question. So at first we draw the carbocation because SN1 reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate, we know. So here CpH3, this one is plus charge. But here in that case when you show the resonance form CH2, CH double bond CH2, but in that case here C so as per our resonance concept, this system is more delocalization system. Here this plus charge is stabilized by resonance, and which is more canonical form present in that case. More canonical form in that case, but in that case here only 2 canonical form is possible. So this one is faster react. As a reason here the transition state is more stabilized in that case. So the transition state is if more stabilized, then this type of substrate react faster rate. So here how to write in university pattern I also show is our previous example. So here the as per our first three line is same. Greater the stability of the transition state, faster the rate. And then in case body, here the mention in case B, here this carbocation is stabilized through the benzylic, here the double bond, and hence the transition state is more stabilized in that case. So this one is react faster rate. And last one, please mention one conclusion here, this one is react faster as compared A. So our next problem is tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl bromide. So in that case, here when we draw the structure, here chloride, and in that case here this one is bromide. So here the only one thing is very important. Here here bromine is a base leaving group. Bromine is a base leaving group than Cl. So here in that case, when Cl remove, the carbocation is here, and in that case this one form in case A and in case B. So in that case bromine is a base leaving group as compared Cl minus, Br minus is a. So in that case here the reaction is faster rate. So in that case faster. So greater the stability, of transition state, faster the rate. So in that case bromine, Br is fast as compared chloride. So in that case reaction faster in that case. So tertiary butyl bromide react faster. So our next example is in that case CH3 whole to CHBr in water and in acetone. So in that case water is a hydroxylic polar solvent. So transition state is more stable and cationic charge is more stable in that case water, and in that case acetone is a non-hydroxylic polar solvent. So this one is react faster. Here only important fact is a solvent, because in case polar solvent, hydroxylic polar solvent, the carbocation is very stabilized in that case, but here this one react slower rate. Now in that case here give the mechanistic step, here the substrate and formic acid. So here in case the carbocation, in case bromine is here, so in case answer here bromide is leaving group. So after remove of bromine from this carbocation form, so here the carbocation is stabilized through this CH3. So the carbocation is stabilized and the reaction goes through SN1 intermediate, and then in case formic acid the lone pair just donate here and the minus charge is formed in that position. So the minus charge is attack on this carbocation. So form the product is here, just attack here and to form the product. So after formation of this product, here the one H plus minus H minus, here CH3 C CH3 C CH3 CH3 O CHOH. The formation of product, this product is formed. In that case, here write down the mechanistic steps of Me3COH HCl and then methanol HI. So in first case here we write down the reaction. In case HCl, at first OH is protonated, then form carbocation from OH remove, and then after formation of this carbocation Cl is attack here and form the product. So when we follow the intermediate, here Me is present and the plus charge is here, and then the Cl minus is attack here. So the reaction goes through SN1 medium, because in case transition state the reaction goes through carbocationic intermediate and the plus charge is formed. So this carbocation is stabilized through the donating effect of methyl group. So as a result 3 degree carbocation is more stable, so the reaction is faster rate, so the reaction goes through SN1 reaction. Why the reaction is not goes through SN2 medium? Because here in case when the reaction goes through SN2 medium, here the in case transition state, the transition state is more crowded in case SN2 reaction, because we know that 3 degree carbocation, then the transition state is more crowded in case SN2 reaction. So the reaction cannot go through SN2 pathway. The reaction goes through only SN1 pathway. So in that case, second case, here no steric hindrance present in that case. So in case HI, the faster formation of OH minus, so after formation of this CH3 OH2 plus, and in case I minus when react of this carbon atom, so when we follow the transition state is here, the hydrogen, so here OH2 we can simply say, and here I minus, so this, then here OH2 delta minus, this on delta minus. So the transition state is more stable transition state. So the formation of product is CH3. So the formation of product is CH3I of the product. The reaction goes through no steric hindrance, means SN2 pathway. Here no steric crowding present. The transition state is through stable. So the reaction goes through SN2 pathway. So here is the very important question. CH3 CH2 Cl hydrolysis slowly in the aqueous medium, but the reaction is rapid in the presence of catalytic amount of Ki. Means when we use some amount of Ki, reaction rate increases. Why? Here in case aqueous medium, H2O is a weak nucleophile. When the reaction H2O is a weak nucleophile, and Cl is a very important point, is Cl is not good leaving group. So when we use Ki, I minus form a good leaving group. Means at first we prepare the bad leaving group is Cl, so we at first convert a good leaving group I. When I include in this case, this I act as a good leaving group, then H2O can easily displace I, so form the product easily. But in case here directly H2O attack, here H2O is a weak nucleophile. First of all, H2O is a weak nucleophile, and Cl is a bad leaving group as compare iodine. So in that case, here the reaction rate is very slow due to the presence of weak leaving group and weak nucleophile water. So when we convert this Cl to this I, the reaction rate is faster and gives the product faster rate. Now one of the important question, very important question, ROH react with NaBr in the presence of H2SO4 give RBr. So why sulfuric acid required? In that case, what is the mechanism of the reaction? So here in presence H2SO4, ROH is protonated. In presence acid, alcohol is protonated. So then the Br minus is a weak nucleophile. The point is very important. Br minus is a weak nucleophile. So in case NaBr, so when we react ROH versus NaBr, so here when we direct react ROH with NaBr, then Br minus is a weak nucleophile and OH is a bad leaving group. OH is a bad leaving group and Br minus is a weak nucleophile. So as a reason, the reaction cannot proceed in this path. But in that case, when in the case of H2SO4 sulfuric acid medium, at first the OH convert OH2, then this bond is break and form the carbocation, and the product is RBr. Simply way Br is attack here and this one is removed. But in that case, when R is equal to, one of the important point is here, R is equal to when tertiary, the reaction goes through SN1 medium, and when R is equal to 1 degree primary, the reaction goes through SN2 medium. This one is very important term. Also mention here R is equal to 1 degree SN1 medium. So R is equal to 1 degree, then the transition state is more stable and the reaction goes the faster rate, and the reaction goes through SN1 medium, and R is equal to tertiary, then SN1 medium. Now in that case is a very important question is here. Explain SN reaction will occur or not. Here the substrate is CH3 CH2 CnI minus. So in that case here CH2 CH2 Cn, when I minus, Cn is a bad leaving group. Cn minus is a bad leaving group. So in that case N3 minus, here I is a good leaving group. So N3 minus when attack on the here iodine is a good leaving group. So iodine, so greater the stability of leaving group, faster the reaction rate. So the reaction goes through, and only this case is possible and this case is not possible. Why not possible? Because Cn is a bad leaving group. Now here one of the important fact is here. Explain which case and take faster. Assume SN1 pathway in SN2 pathway in all case. So here in that case here when form the reaction, here this reaction when form, the reaction goes through this carbocationic form, and this form is, so here this two one reacts faster because the stability of transition state is high. In that case stability of transition state is high, but in case, so this one is react faster rate. And in case second case here this one is 3 methyl group present and here is 2 methyl group present. So here follow in case solvent, so 2 solvent are same, and second is leaving group, here bromine 2 are same. So here only fact this methyl group. So this 2,1 reacts faster rate due to the presence of the high stability of transition state. Now here in that case in these two pair, here ethanol use, here DMF use, and SN2 reaction. So here the leaving group is iodine, but which case is faster rate? Because the second case is a faster rate, because in presence ethanol Cn minus solvated, but DMF not solvated. So in that case here this reaction is faster rate in presence DMF. This one is remained DMF, and then our second case when we use I minus Cl minus, the substrate is here Br, and this one is R part, and hence the I minus acetone and Cl minus acetone. So we know that acetone is a non-nucleophilic, acetone is a non-hydroxylic solvent. So in case non-hydroxylic solvent, Cl minus act as a good nucleophile, we know that. So as a reason, in case non-hydroxylic solvent, Cl minus act as a good nucleophile. So this one is react faster rate as compare this. So in that case here the reaction is here, the in case Cn minus form this product, NC product. So this one is in case Cn minus is a ambidentate nucleophile, answer is here. So here C is a soft center and N is a hard center. So in case soft center, so Cn minus, when Cn minus attack here, the carbon soft center interaction is very high, is very stable as compare hard. Here in that case soft hard interaction occur because carbon and with nitrogen. So this one is not possible. So this one not, this one is faster rate due to the presence of soft interaction carbon. Now in that case the rate of hydrolysis of CH3CBr in aqueous methanol 1000 times faster. So but in case pure methanol means this reaction goes through CH3 whole 3 C plus carbocationic intermediate. This one is SN1 medium. So in case SN1 medium aqueous methanol solvent, the reaction rate is faster due to the presence of transition state, stable transition state. But in case second case pure methanol, the reaction not get faster rate because the transition state is not stabilized, but in that case the carbocation is more stabilized, so the reaction is faster aqueous methanol. So guys, please watch our previous video part 1 where we discuss the simplest mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reaction. So as per our daily requirement, please watch and subscribe the channel. Thank you.